Artificial intelligence isn't just a future trend anymore. It's quickly becoming a must-have skill for business growth, career advancement, and economic opportunity. As companies are pouring billions of dollars into AI and entrepreneurs race to adapt, a new question has started to emerge. Will AI literacy become the new financial literacy?
Joining us now is Alicia Little, CEO of AI Innovision, and we are so excited to have you here because talk about a forefront conversation we need to be having right now.
Yeah, definitely. And AI is moving at the speed of AI, and people want to know, like, how can they keep up? How is it going to benefit them? And if they have a fear over AI, they're like, what do I need to know before I even start to engage with any AI tools?
Well, I love what you said. AI is moving at the speed of AI, which is sometimes hard to track, but we do know it is the new financial literacy. So aside from speed, what else makes you say that?
Yeah, so people really need to be paying attention that if they're looking for a job, jobs, corporations, government agencies are now saying, what do you know about AI before they hire you? So they're trying to see, do you have an AI portfolio? What AI tools are you already using? Because they're expecting their new hires to come in being AI literate, which just means that they know how to use AI tools, they know how to engage with AI tools, they know the popular tools right now, and then how to use them in their industry.
Interesting. So what does an AI literate person look like? Are there a list of skills that we need to be putting on our resume? What are we learning?
Right. So, I mean, if you're thinking about the job that you're looking for or getting a raise in your current position, or as a business owner, you know, making sure that you're growing your business, you're like, what AI tools do I need to know about in order to be able to implement and integrate? And to be more AI literate means that you know how to use AI tools, and then as you're engaging with them, you know how to engage with them in the best way. So for example, when we say prompting the AI tools, a prompt is just the instructions that you're giving to AI. But do you know how to give good instructions? And so this is what companies are looking for. And now these tools have made it so easy to be able to prompt them better that you don't even need to be a prompt engineer anymore, but you need to know how to ask the right questions to get the right results.
Yeah, there's a difference between using the tools and then actually using them well.
And using them well.
Having them work for you. So say I'm in a leadership position. I am now hiring someone who has to be AI proficient, but I'm not. Alicia, okay, so what are some ways I can keep my job?
So you could, as somebody who's looking to hire somebody who's more AI literate, you could go to AI and you're like, look, I'm going to be interviewing in the next 15 days, and I want to make sure that I'm more AI literate before I even head to the interviews. Give me a plan. So you could ask ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever tool you use, to give you a plan to be more AI literate in your specific industry in the next 30 days, and then be like, today is day number 1. Give me something I can do to be more AI literate. And then it will give you an assignment. Put this prompt into your favorite AI tool and look at the results. And so if you just said, all right, I'm going to spend 20 minutes for the next 15 days, you'd be surprised at how far ahead you would be in using these AI tools. So I always tell people, like, pick an AI tool, even if you're getting a free account. ChatGPT is a popular one. Claude is a popular one. Get a free account and then ask that AI tool, this is who I am, this is the industry that I'm in, give me a 15-day plan to get to know you better and to use you better. And it will be like, yes, here's what we're gonna do day 1, day 2, day 3. And then you're like, okay, I don't even need to know how to use the tool before I get to it. I just ask the tool, how can I use you? And it will tell you.
That is so fascinating. Okay, so you are actually teaching people all about this. Tell us about the event that you have coming up.
Sure. So I have an event, it's called the AI Business Summit. It's at AIBusinessSummit.com. And I do this every few months, and I've been doing it now. This is year number 3.
Come on. So you were in it like right when AI became popular.
Thank you, and I love it. And I do this for free. So what I do is I teach people how they can learn different AI tools and to become AI literate, to know AI better. And it's absolutely free. And I just tell people, be on your laptop or iPad or your desktop computer, because I give people actually work to do. So what I believe helps people is that I'm like, watch me do this. So we're gonna create a flyer with ChatGPT images, let's say. So I say, watch me do this. And they're like, okay, now it's your turn. And then everybody does it. They put in the Zoom chat or they post it on social media, what they made. And then they're like, well, if I could do this, what else can I do? Show me something else. And then I show them something else. So we're going to be creating AI agents. I know you know a little bit about AI agents, right?
Yeah, we were talking offline. My partner is so into the AI world. So this is like resonating with him, I know right now.
Right, and so on my phone, I talk to my AI agent. I have an AI agent named Maximus, and he answers all my emails for me. And in the past 147 days, I haven't manually answered an email. he tells me what
Crazy.
emails come in, and then I message him back, just voice note it, and he writes all of my emails and answers it. He prepped me for this session today,
And you're
told me
killing
about
it.
both of you, sent me your pictures, so I would know all about you.
We should have introduced Alicia and Maximus, is
Right,
really what I
know.
said. That
And
is so interesting.
So I'm teaching people how to do things like this because it helps to save time, which you can allocate that time to doing something else in your life. I was one of the worst people on the planet when it came to answering emails, and now I'm one of the best because I have my AI agent helping me and assisting me. But people need to know, like, how do you do that, and what safeguards do you put in place?
Sure.
What can you let it do, and what can't you let it do? And so I teach people how to do things like this that change everything for them.
Using AI to make your life easier. We love it. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
coming in and for
Rockstar
being here with
Alicia.
us today.
Thank you so much.
So happy to have you. And for all